In today's video, I'm going to teach you add scaling text in Wix Studio quick steps. If you've ever noticed your headings look perfect on desktop, but feel oversized or cramped on smaller screens, scaling text is the simple fix. It allows your text size to respond to the viewer's screen, keeping your design consistent and readable without manual adjustments at every breakpoint. Start by opening Wix Studio and navigating to the page where you want this text to live. Make sure you're in the correct page on your site so the change applies exactly where you intend. Next, add a text element. Click the plus icon labeled Add, choose Text, and place a text element on the canvas. You can pick a heading, paragraph, or any preset style you like. Drag it into position and double-click to edit the wording so you can immediately see how your actual content will behave. With the text element selected, look to the right side of Wix Studio and open the inspector. This panel is where you control the properties of whatever you've selected. If you don't see it, make sure the text element is highlighted. The inspector updates based on the selected item. Inside the inspector, find the text section. Here, look for size and scale. Depending on your version, it may appear as responsive text or fluid text. The name can vary, but the function is the same. It governs how your font size adapts across different screen widths. Now toggle scale text on. The moment you enable it, Wix Studio begins adjusting the font size relative to the available space, so your text scales smoothly from large monitors to tablets and phones. This helps maintain visual hierarchy and prevents awkward line breaks or overly tiny type on compact screens. If your text sits inside a container, like a column, grid, or pinned section, the scaling responds to that container's width, so the effect may be more subtle or more pronounced based on the layout. When you're satisfied, save your work. Click Save at the top to ensure your changes are stored. Saving frequently is a good habit, especially when you're fine-tuning design settings. That's all you need to enable scaling text in Wix Studio. As you continue designing, remember that headings, subheadings, and body copy can all benefit from responsive sizing. It keeps your site polished and accessible across devices, and it reduces the need for separate font sizes on different breakpoints. Later, when you preview your site, you'll notice your typography stays balanced and legible automatically.